Today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY insecticidal soap using Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Pure Castile Magic Soap. I'm going to use this right here to show you how you can use this as an insecticidal soap to get rid of unwanted pests from off of your plants and to keep them gone. Now I have this right here, and I also have a sprayer bottle. I have an industrial professional sprayer. You could use different types of sprayers if you want to. It will work. And the rule of thumb when using this is to add this, I'm gonna open this up, add about 1 tablespoon per quart, or 32 ounces. So in here I have roughly about 32 ounces, maybe a little bit more, and I'll add just a little bit more of the Bronners soap in here to complete the insecticidal soap. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my tablespoon, I'm going to fill it up, and that is 1. I'm going to go ahead and place this in here, and I'm going to do about a half just in here. Now what this does is when you put the soap in here and you spray it on the leaves, the top of the leaves, under the leaves, what it does is it attaches to the insects that you have on there, the bugs or whatever, mites, whatever you have on it, and it dries them out, leaving them, to be vamoose, all right, gone, no longer walking around. So I put this on here. Now, I put the soap in here. Now there's another thing that you can also add to this. If you have some neem oil, you can add a little bit of neem oil to this solution right here to give it a little bit more effectiveness. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and grab my neem oil. All right, so I have the Neem Max. This is cold pressed neem oil processed without chemicals right here. And you open this up and it says, for pests, insects, most conditions, use about 1 teaspoon per 32 ounce, which I have about 32 ounces right here. For most conditions, heavy infestation, you use 3.5 tablespoons per a 32 ounce flow. And soil treatment, use that right there to treat the soil. I'm going to be just doing the leaves. I don't have a heavy infestation, but I always like to go overboard, I guess, with things. So I'm going to use 3 tablespoons into this 32 ounce right here. I'm just going to go ahead. It's 1, 2, all right, 3. All right, so I have that in there. I have the neem oil and magic soap, Bronners, mixed in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. Get the soap, the neem oil mixed up in here. And now you have your solution to go ahead and spray your plants. Now, when you're doing this, you might want to spray your plants like maybe every 3 days, so you can catch the insects or mites if they're like breeding or whatnot. You just want to just do this for about every 3 or 4 days for about a couple of weeks or 3 weeks, a few weeks, and to make sure that the issue is completely gone. Okay, so that is how you make Dr. Bronner's Magic Soap, insecticidal soap. I also use neem oil in here in the mix. Now let me go ahead and show you how I spray the leaves. Let me go ahead and do that for you. So I have this, and I'm just spraying the leaves just like that, and that's all you